I am taking the lead in Birmingham, UK. When we rebuild our communities, we will see funding become more effective as each community manages its finances directly and maintains close physical contact with collectors. This proximity allows for swift and decisive action when needed. Rebuilding our communities will also simplify organizing protests and diplomatic outreach, enabling us to internationalize our struggle as we have done before. Furthermore, coordination across countries will become more efficient, facilitating targeted actions. We have achieved this before, and we can do it again. Communities are independent of groups and affiliations. Their sole commitment is to Ambazonia and to supporting efforts on the ground. For Ambazonians based in Birmingham, UK who want us to build our community, please contact me on WhatsApp. Let's start. My WhatsApp number is +447404537159.
Mark Bareta.
Here are the 9 cardinal principles for an apolitical Ambazonia grassroots mobilization. Ambazonia grassroots mobilization, 9 cardinal principles. Inspiration, Palestinian BDS movement and Jewish community centers model. Preamble, uniting Ambazonians worldwide. These principles guide grassroots mobilization, ensuring a strong, cohesive, and sustained struggle for self-determination, humanitarian protection, and liberation. 1. Cultural revitalization. Organize cultural events, festivals, and traditions celebrating Ambazonian heritage, promoting identity and unity. 2. Advocacy and activism. Establish organizations championing Ambazonian rights, engaging governments, international organizations, and human rights institutions. 3. Digital mobilization. Leverage social media, online campaigns, and digital platforms to raise awareness, mobilize support, and coordinate global actions. 4. Community empowerment. Establish community centers, cultural institutions, an idea AMHEC has put out a white paper and literature on, and educational programs to foster Ambazonian history, language, and cultural knowledge. 5. Collective action. Organize protests, rallies, demonstrations, and awareness campaigns highlighting the subjugation of the Republic of Southern Cameroons. 6. International solidarity. Foster global partnerships with human rights organizations, governments, and solidarity movements to amplify Ambazonian voices. 7. Resource support. Provide financial, material, and emotional support to Ambazonian community self-defense volunteers.
Prisoners of conscience.
Internally displaced persons, IDPs.
Refugees.
8. Collaboration and cohesion. Encourage unity and cooperation among Ambazonian groups, promoting a shared vision and strategy. 9. Accountability and governance. Together in workshopping with existing groups, leaderships establish ground rules for transparency, accountability, and democratic decision-making within the struggle, ensuring regular audits and financial reporting, elected leadership and representation, clear communication channels, constructive conflict resolution mechanisms, implementation strategies. Establish Ambazonian community organizations, ACOs, globally. Develop Ambazonian-led advocacy campaigns. Create Ambazonian cultural exchange programs. Provide educational resources and workshops. Organize international conferences and summits. Engage in strategic partnerships with international organizations. Unity and solidarity. Embracing these 9 cardinal principles, Ambazonians worldwide will unite, mobilize, and sustain the struggle for self-determination, humanitarian protection, and liberation. These principles ensure a comprehensive approach to grassroots mobilization, addressing the needs of Ambazonians worldwide and fostering a cohesive, effective, and accountable struggle. The Ambazonian Grassroots Mobilization Constituency Framework.